Hand washing can seem like a very trivial task, something that on the surface feels like it isn't doing much, but in reality, when you wash your hands with soap, you're releasing a molecular firestorm upon viruses and bacteria. But how does it work? Why soap? Well, for starters, we need a little more context. The first thing we need to go over is that oil and water do not like to mix together. Think about when you're preparing food, especially kinds that have lots of fat in them. When your hands get greasy, you can't just let water run over them. They'll stay slimy. It's only when you go for the soap that you're able to dissolve the fat and the grease with the water, cleaning off your hands. That's because soap has special molecules called amphiphiles. These molecules have two separate ends, one that's attracted to water and one that's attracted to fats. Amphiphiles act like a magnet to push water and fat molecules together, forcing them to mix, which breaks down the fat molecules. So how does this help fight coronavirus? Well, you may have seen pictures of the virus like this on TV, but this is a bit complicated, so let's simplify things. The virus is made up of three main parts: protein spikes, which help the virus attach to human cells, molecules inside the virus, which end up doing all the damage, and last but not least, a layer of fat holding it all together. When you wash your hands, these amphiphiles are essentially ripping this virus to shreds, with all the leftovers draining into your sink, unable to cause any harm. And the key is to wash your hands thoroughly, and to do so for at least 20 seconds. That's happy birthday twice for those counting. So go ahead, wash your hands, get those mitts nice and clean, because it's one of the strongest tools that we have to fight this thing right now. Reporting for the Stormtrack weather team, I'm meteorologist Luke Victor.